because this is what we do. It's my job. Make YouTube videos. Well, not really, but it's what I do for fun. You know, all along I like wings. Peach habanero. These wings got a little bit of a kick to them to begin with. Oh, I like them. So today we're going to do another wing challenge video. And we're going to be using 85% straight up Carolina Reaper super hot pepper mash Hellboy hot sauce. Why? Because, well, it's hot and it's pretty good. Alright. So, ingredients on this is, I'll give you the random ones, the big ones, the little ones. I'll give you the rest in the review. Check that video out, it'll be coming. This sauce contains, it's the hottest non-extract sauce in the world. 85% straight up pepper mash. Use with caution. This is the extreme. 85% super hot pepper mash. Hopefully this don't get me as bad as the Doom wings. If you haven't seen that video, go back and look. That was punishment. Alright. And we're going to throw in, I got a pretty good little, look at here. Let's put a little more on. I don't want anybody complaining. Whew, man, that stinks. It doesn't stink. It actually has a very citrusy pepper smell. But if you know what I'm in for, that's means it stinks. All right, look at that. There's a lot of good old mash on there. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit of Legendary AF on there just to make sure we got good coating of wing sauce here. Legendary AF, Hellboy Extreme. Give them a little shake here. They're coated because we got extra. Alright. I'll lick that bowl when I'm done. Why not? I'll be right back. I'm going to glove up. Mrs. Complainer had a little visit to the hospital, so Catfish took the liberty of going into the bathroom and getting some gloves. Alright folks, and here we go. Gonna eat these and do a 5-minute afterburn because they're gonna be hot. Not as hot as the last ones I ate, but this is all about punishment. So let's get the timer here, and we will clear it to 0. All right. I'm going to turn this around so y'all can see it. Sometimes I do this and you can't see it anyway, so we're going to try. We'll put it on the big screen. Boom! There it is. The big screen. Alright, hopefully y'all can see that. If not, maybe I'll die. Alright, here we go, folks. Hellboy Extreme. From Hellfire Hot Sauce. Man, this is a really good sauce. Citrusy. But man, it's hot. Not for the faint of heart, folks. Let's do a little suffering. Man, this is a really, look at the pepper mash in there. The flavor is incredible, but the burn is already starting to build bad. And we chuck along. If you haven't tried these sauces and you like hot sauce, you got to get these. They are incredible. The fourth one, not so much. Even as hot as this one is, it is a really good sauce. I'm going to try to read you the ingredients list when I'm doing my afterburn. It's a little small, but I think I can manage in light. It's like a half a Reaper there. Ugh. These sauces are no joke. They're definitely the hottest I've had. This one actually is really good because it's not an extract sauce. It doesn't have that chemical extract nastiness. It just has a good peppery taste. But that's hot. Oh man. Oh. Nose starting to run. I got mine at a 4. That was a really hot sauce. And I'm sure it's going to build. Alright, man, I'm done. Okay, 5-minute burn. I'm going to read you the ingredients. No relief on this one whatsoever. No paper towels, no nothing. Ingredients: Reaper pepper mash, which is Reaper peppers, salt, and vinegar. This is whatever contains, every mash contains salt and vinegar. Trinidad scorpion pepper mash. Sorry folks, these are really small. Apple cider vinegar. Jolokia pepper mash, which is Ghost. Red 7-pot Primo mash. Red 7-pot Primos and vinegar, salt, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and cumin. It's all super hot, folks. Bad news. Not as intense as a right hand of doom sauce, but majorly hot. There goes the eyes of water. Glad I gloved up. incredible burn. I like that extreme. I've almost got a almost half gone. Maybe a third. Next a little smaller. Yeah, if you want a good intense pepper sauce, that's the one to get. It'll light you up without, hopefully without making you sick. You see my right-handed doom 6-wing video? I ate those about 10 o'clock at night and woke up at 4 a.m. with severe pepper cramps, capsaicin cramps. Went back to bed. Woke up about 6:30. Again with worse pepper cramps. Sorry, I'm running here. 6:41, I took a little drink, a couple sips of milk to try to cool my stomach. And most of them wings came out my nostrils. One of the worst feelings I've ever had in my life. 6.66 million extract through the nose. Not good. I will tell you one thing though. The right hand of doom in the 5-minute afterburn never peaked. At the end of the 5 minutes, I was still going high and I needed like liquids immediately. This one, I think's peaked. Intensely hot, but it's leveled off. So I think we're good with this one. Hopefully we don't get the cramps tonight. 3.5 minutes. I really wish I could blow my nose. Starting to get that calming feeling, the endorphins. 3:41. It's an addiction, folks. The addiction. Welcome to the addiction. For some of you guys that know or haven't been following my channel for a while, I got a taste of habaneros when I was about 18, 19 years old. And really lit me up bad. You know, most people that don't eat spicy food, habaneros are way above the limit. This guy brought over some orange habaneros and set them on the counter. My grandma set them on the counter. And I seen him. I said, "What's this?" She's like, "Oh, Harry brought them over for you." So I diced them up and threw them on some nachos, Doritos with some cheddar cheese, put them in the microwave. What I proceeded to experience was 25 minutes of the worst pain of my life until I ate the right hand of doom wings last week. Or what, this video is probably not going to go up for a while, but since I ate those right hand of doom wings. Anyway, so after about 25 minutes and a half gallon of milk and a half a loaf of bread, I said never again, and I threw them peppers in the garbage. That's what started, folks, and here I am. Alright, folks, yeah, it's come down. I went from about a 6 there at the most part. It was not unbearable, but it was really hot. I'm down to about a 3, 4 right now. Still an incredible sting in my mouth. Throat burn is starting to build just a hair, but we're at 5 minutes, folks. And that's going to bring it right back. Catfish Redneck. Like, subscribe, hit that little button down there. It'll tell you when I'm doing one of these stupid redneck videos. And punish myself for you on YouTube. Don't forget, if you got something gross for me to eat, something hot, got a P.O. box down there, send it to me. I'll give you a shout out and I'll eat it. If I got something left over, I'll feed it to the family. Alright, folks. Whoa. I'm getting out of here. I'll see you all later. Signing out. Making wings great again.